reminder notification can notify users if the system has not been armed by a certain time of day or if they leave their house without arming. To begin creating an arming reminder notification, log into the website. Click Notifications, followed by New Notification. From the list of standard notifications, click Arming Reminder. Here you can decide between a time-based arming reminder or a geofence that uses your smartphone's location to set reminders. Next, select when arming reminders should be sent. They can be sent either every day or only on selected days. Click Add Recipient to choose who should receive the notification and how it will be delivered. We recommend using a push device that would allow you to arm the system from the notification. Finally, click Save.